Is your camera not working in Google Meet? Whether your webcam won't turn on, shows a black screen, or isn't being detected, there are several quick fixes you can try. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the Google Meet camera not working issue in 2026. So let's get started. First, make sure Google Meet has permission to access your camera. If you're using the mobile app, check your device's camera permissions in the Settings app. Next, click the Settings option in Google Meet and open the Video section. Make sure the correct webcam is selected, especially if you have multiple cameras connected. Yeah, Google Meet may choose the wrong camera automatically. Some applications can prevent Google Meet from using your webcam. Close apps like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, OBS Studio, or your computer's camera app before trying again. I mean, only one application can access certain webcams at a time. If the camera still isn't working, close your browser completely. Select Google Meet app and click right button, select Run as administration option, then select Yes. If that doesn't help, restart your computer or mobile device. Take a moment to reconnect any external webcam if you're using one. Using an outdated browser or camera driver can sometimes cause problems. Install any available browser updates, and if you're using Windows, check for updated webcam drivers through Device Manager, open Cameras, then right-click, choose Drive menu, then Update or Windows Update. Keeping your software up to date helps prevent compatibility issues. Return to Google Meet and check the camera preview. If your video appears normally, the problem has been resolved. If not, try another browser or test the webcam with another application to help identify the issue. So, your Google Meet camera should now be working properly. And that's how to fix the Google Meet camera not working issue. In most cases, checking permissions, selecting the correct camera, and closing conflicting applications solves the problem quickly. I mean, keeping your browser and webcam drivers updated can also help avoid future issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.